Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a trap beat in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not have the application, just download it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can get started with choosing what you want to record and so on. So as you can see here, we have our audio recorder that's going to enable us to either record a live instrument that we want directly into your phone by playing it, or we can just go and select some other option such as making our drum kit. We have the keyboard kit, and right here to make our loops. So basically guys, as you can see in the upper left corner, we have the live loops next to our tracks where we can go ahead and select already made loops like for hip hop, EDM, and so on. So you can go ahead and find some inspiration there, or if you want to use it directly to create yourself in the tracks option, what you can do is get started selecting the instrument. So basically guys, a trap beat is going to have the keyboard notes right here, you'll have your drum kit and so on. So what you want to do is go ahead and get started selecting one by one and adding those instruments. So go ahead and open up the keyboard options right here, and now you can get started recording yourself. At the top of the screen, the big red circle that's going to enable you to record and get started playing. After you're satisfied and finished, go back guys to the main page, then we go into drums. So in the drum section, you can click record again and we can get started recording ourselves. So go ahead and get your perfect mix up, and then you can go into edit mode right here, and after clicking on edit mode, you'll be able to find all of your track beats right here and all the instruments you're playing to get your desired trap beat. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.